Hello everyone!
Hello
and welcome
everyone!
back! Woo!
Woohoo!
We're back after a long wait. Oh, some wind from the lorry. We're back! Finally! After a long wait. It's been totally dark. We've tried to post some reviews on YouTube and posted some things on Instagram, but yeah, we've taken some time off because we both have had a lot of stuff to do on our daily jobs.
And the weather in Sweden hasn't really been the best. You know, this spring has been really cold, one of the coldest in I don't know how many years, and it's still pretty cold. So, but I just have to mention, for those of you that have seen us before and are in this channel, or on this channel, that some things have changed. Like, where is my Kawasaki and what is
What?
this?
Where is there no ER6 anymore? People might be wondering. We posted a reel about adventure bikes, and Carros has had, yeah, we've searched a lot for an adventure bike that suits Carros. However, we've not been able to until now. Until about 3 weeks ago, or 4 weeks. I don't remember how long it is now. But
it's
3
been
or 4
a month,
weeks ago.
But
yeah,
you know, I just saw this beauty by chance, really.
Yeah.
I didn't really think that this bike would be low enough, but you know, you can work magic with just a low saddle. So I'm very happy that I gave it a chance. So yeah, so I've been riding this bike for a month now, and
you've done almost 1,000 kilometers now. So
yeah,
we need to send it to a 1,000-kilometer service, as usual for new bikes. And oh my god, the wind!
Oh my god, the wind today. What was important for me was not only, like, no shade on engines that are smaller, but I wanted a bike that was quick and strong, that could, I don't know, I just wanted something in between of a sport bike and an adventure. So this is a Honda Transalp, and it, you know, checked a lot of boxes for me. Not only that I could actually, you know, reach down, it was that, you know, a quick, fun engine, a nice look, and also kind of a, you know, it's an easy bike. I feel it's really easy to handle and maneuver. It's not that heavy, and which is important because, you know, now I will not only rely on Pontus for, you know, to put all my stuff on this bike. I will actually
I'm not the one, you know, transporting all the luggage while we're going on long rides, because we're gonna try to do Norway again, but this time Lofoten Islands.
So Norway 2.0. So hopefully that's our plan.
Yeah, we will hope that's why you needed an adventure bike, and you needed luggage, so we could put stuff on your bike as well, and not just relying on my bike. So we have a lot of luggage for the trip, so we should not be running out of space, hopefully.
Nope. But so that's what's been happening. So this is just you know, check-in.
Yeah, this is just gonna be a regular update, basically, an update of where we've been, and for us to actually post our first motovlog video in since the last season, basically, with a new bike, and yeah, some updates on our bikes, and also, if you haven't noticed already, why we're cutting from bike to bike and how we're doing it. And if you maybe noticed that I have something on my face, on my helmet, and Carros also has something on her helmet.
And what can this be?
What can it be? Oh, you already noticed. it's kind of obvious, right?
Yeah, it's kind of.
We both have the DJI Action 5 Pros, and we've bought 3 of them. to give you guys more angles and to give
angles of us.
Angles of us. No, but so you can get the first person view. You can get the first person view. You can get we don't have to change from one camera and change that camera to all the bikes, or like change because we started with just the Insta360, and the problem with that was that when we started with Insta360 we couldn't really, we needed to stop and change the Insta360
and now
on
you
your
can
bike.
actually see that we're looking at each other.
Yeah, we're looking at each other. Yeah, it's pretty cool. The testosterone guy.
I can't do that.
You're on video,
I
dude.
wish I could. You're on video. You're on the internet.
If we're going to talk about another thing that we updated, it's the gear. Because if we're going to Norway and going to colder climates, because Sweden is fucking cold right now, then we need clothes that can manage that. So we bought some new clothes. I bought the KTM Terra Adventure Pro, I think it's called. Both jacket and pants.
Yeah. I bought something from Denise. I can't remember, guys. I will cut it in here.
I'm totally KTM branded right now. KTM, if you want to sponsor, go right ahead.
Feel
if you
free.
Want, go. Yeah, feel free. I would be great. I would be grateful because there's a lot of things I want to update this bike with. So yeah.
And we moved.
And we moved
as well. So it's been a lot happening outside of the channel, but now you know we have the gear. I have the bike. We have I don't know, bags and everything and cameras. So now it's just time to get moving.
Time to do stuff for you guys. Better content. And we're also gonna do a lot more like camping, moto camping vlogs, going out and if it's just going out and cooking some food, or if it's going out and actually camping with the tent, we'll see. The only thing that we're missing is a drone.
Yeah, but that guys will have to wait. Oh my god, we're not made of money.
We're not made of money, even though it seems like we are, because I know people are gonna be like, how could you afford, you bought a new bike with new adventure sets. You could think, if you're a friend of us, you could think that we won the lottery because we've just bought so much stuff.
We just act like it, you know.
Yeah, we just act like it.
I identify as a rich person trapped in a poor person's body.
Exactly. I identify. What did you say? I identify like as a rich person just in a poor person's body. Was that
trapped in a poor?
I'm trapped in a poor person's body. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. Well, yeah. That's pretty much it. This is new. This is weird. This is weird new. That we can look at each other and I can see you in the camera.
I can look at your bike.
I can look at the bike. That's what I said. New angles. Hello.
This is the first time we are trying.
Yeah, this is the first time we're trying
the cameras. So
yeah.
It is a trial and error period,
yeah.
I guess.
And if you're wondering what kind of shin mounts we're using Go Moto. I think it's called, yeah, Go Moto.
So perhaps this will be a short video today, but we just wanted you to give you a, just check in and see that yes, the channel still lives. We are planning tons of adventures this season, and we will bring you along for those.
Like and subscribe, and comment down below if you what you're gonna do this summer. If you have any summer plans, if you're gonna go with your bike somewhere, where are you gonna go? We just wanna.
Yeah, we wanna know. See you guys. Bye.
See you guys. Bye.